And if you've been following the developments in Kenya, we are not only looking at the incentives in our special economic zones and export economic zones, but we are also bringing on board another 5 special and export economic zones in Kenya, in Kirinyaga, for those of you who know the geography of Kenya, in Thika, in Nakuru, in Eldoret, and in Busia. You will get some details of how those new export and special economic zones will operate and what additional opportunities will be available in those other special economic zones.
The Netherlands and Kenya share a long history of strong economic relations, resulting in that we are the largest export destination for Kenya in Europe and the 3rd worldwide. More than 125 Dutch businesses are active in your country and already reaping the benefits of doing business with your country.